Please leave your message for Kendra Snyder.
Hey Ken, it's Jake. Just really worried about my kids and worried about you. This doesn't just go away, Kendra. You know what I mean? Like, I'm their dad for the rest of their life. You're the mom for the rest of their life. I don't know if you know if where they're at, or if you have them, or if you're picking them up, and I really don't understand what the hell is going on. You've got it in your mind, in your head, that basically I can't talk to them until I do supervised visits, and you won't even call Jace back? I mean, that is delusional, Kendra. What are you getting protected from, or what are you hiding from? What do you think that you need to not call me about? Let me know. Like, please tell me, what am I doing wrong? Because I've done nothing ever to you or the kids. And both Jackson and Ava want to know where their daddy's at, and I want to know where they're at. And I want to talk to them. And that doesn't make any sense. None of this makes sense. I'm fighting with the district attorney's office, and I'm fighting with the school over just because I just want to know if they're okay and if they're safe. Tell them I love them, please. Call me back.
Please leave your message for Kendra Snyder.
Hey Kendra, I just wanted to let you know. You told Jace last time that you did visits with him that you and the court or the DA were in my house, or, you know, in our lives, investigating if they're okay over here, right? I know for a fact that the court has been in my house monitoring our children and monitoring our lives. I know that for a fact. How about this for a change? Do you think that's why Gibson signed those custody orders and everybody talked you into doing that? Because he heard Ava telling me in the living room that that's who molested her? I sat there and cried with my daughter in the living room, dude, for over an hour. She was saying that somebody hurt her, and she said she did not want to go back to her mom's. That's why I took her to the doctor that day with Huff. And you fucking know exactly what I'm talking about. Because she told me she never wanted to go to your house again, and she didn't want you taking her to the doctor. And you, whoever fucking tells you what to do, or you fucking figured it out yourself or whatever, avoided me from getting to the fucking doctor first. And then fucking Gibson fucking filed fucking custody for you, and Shelly files custody for you, and you don't even fucking know what the fuck you're doing. Can you remember more than fucking 30 fucking minutes of your life, Kendra? Because the kids have been abused at your house. They have been molested at your house. And I've been fucking trying to protect them this whole entire time, and guess what? Where are the fucking kids now, Kendra? Did you ever think for 1 minute that the people that you're fucking involved with and the people that you have in your life are actually the ones that are abusing our kids and molesting our kids? And did you ever think for 1 fucking minute to just leave them alone and leave them with me so I could fucking protect them? No, you didn't, did you? You just fucking listened to every single person in your life other than me. Wake up, Kendra. Wake the fuck up. Get in your car and go drive off. Go get the fuck away from these people. Because they are ruined. They have ruined every fucking thing in my life, in your life, that I loved ever in my life. And it's all fucking gone and ruined and fucking destroyed. And you keep fucking doing it. Like, you keep fucking taking them, and you keep, you're so adamant about getting them fucking adopted out? You're so fucking stupid. What the fuck would they need to be adopted for, Kendra? You listen to everybody else, and guess what? They are fucking you over. They're fucking your life up too, and fucking you in the middle of the night, and you don't even fucking know it. You don't care. You don't care they take all your fucking money, and you fucking sit in fucking a 96 fucking Honda Corolla or whatever the fuck it is, Toyota Corolla. You don't give two shits that your fucking kids are getting molested right now. These people have been selling fucking kids to child molesters, Kendra. To child molesters right fucking now. Look at the fucking news right now. Look at the news and fucking it's all over the news right now. That's what these people have been doing.
Your recording has reached the maximum length. To replay your message, press 1. To delete and re-record your message, press 3. For delivery options, press 4. To send a fax, press 6. To cancel this message.
Do you see how it, do you hear what it said? It just said to send a fax. Okay? I have other messages to Kendra's cell phone, all right, before the DA was involved, before local law enforcement was involved in investigation against me, and it doesn't say to send a fax or to send a group message or anything like that. It just basically says a voicemail, and it doesn't give you the option to record and then replay it and then send it. Only when I'm under investigation or she's under investigation or the DA's involved is when it says those options.
Press star. To send this message now, press pound or hang up. To replay your message, press 1. To delete and re-record your message, press 3. For your message has been deleted. Please re-record your message at the tone.
Kendra, for the past 5...
So that message right there, I deleted from her phone, right? But they were listening to that conversation the whole time. You understand what I'm saying? Is like that was under investigation, or she was under investigation. So they had that information and they had that recorded already. So it didn't matter. Like that's why I deleted, because it didn't matter. And plus I knew what was going on.
Years of my life, I have spent all my time investigating this situation and what happened to you and the kids, where the kids were at the first year, who had them, and I come to find out that you have a mental disability years later and you still are fighting with me in court over the kids. Do you realize, let me just explain something to you really quick, Kendra. If I had those kids and I had full custody of the kids, I would never ask for child support from you. I could give a shit. I could care less. I would never ask you for anything. I would never ask you for your time or for your calls or anything. And you could literally call them and talk to them and come over and see them and pick them up any time you wanted. That's all I would get. That's all I would ever do. I wouldn't care. If you wanted to pick up Ava and go shopping, I wouldn't do it. I would care. If you wanted to pick up Jackson and go do something, I wouldn't care. All three of them, I wouldn't care. Every time you called, I'd answer the phone. I have not fucking been the person in your life that has fucking ruined your life. I am not the fault. I am not the blame. I am not the problem. I am not the one holding a gun to your head and beating the shit out of you for settlement money. I am not the one that fucking coaches you into fucking prostitution. I'm not the one that fucking tells you that your fucking life is perfect, but then sells you into prostitution. I've never even fucking thought about that, not even fucking for once, and not even that. I'm so fucking disgusted in the entire situation. The fact that you don't know where our kids are at, and the fact that you fucking act like everything's okay is sickening to me. It's fucking gross. Why don't you fucking go curl up in a fucking ball and cry your fucking eyes out, or go do something about it? Go fucking shout at the world that your fucking kids are missing or gone, instead of fucking sitting there acting like fucking everything's okay. So, correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe you do have the kids, but I haven't seen them for 3 months and you won't answer the phone, so I'm freaking the fuck out as a parent, you know? Like, that's kind of what parents do, right? They kind of get upset when their kids are gone and missing, you know? But you don't fucking have any fucking clue what that's like, do you? You have no worries in the world, right? Everything's fine with you. You got to go class tonight, so you don't know where your fucking kids are at. Your class is a fucking re-education fucking center for and fucking brainwashing you fuckers. Manipulating your brain into fucking prostitution, Kendra. So gross. Well, you're fucking doing it. Thanks for not having my kids.
Dude, that entire time right there, they were listening into the conversation, okay? Check this out. That's why They forced the divorce and got and Jason and Kendra got married, and now they're like painting a perfect picture that they have a perfect life because the county was flipping out, dude, because this is what was actually going on. This was the truth. At this moment in time right here, I have full custody of my oldest son, Jace. I had full custody of him. And Kendra and Jason got temporary custody of my two youngest, and they started beating my kids. And the county was basically listening to the conversations, the district attorney's office. This is why the district attorney's office doesn't want to investigate this case, is because they know what happened. This is why law enforcement doesn't want to enforce the police reports that I filed against Jason and Kendra for beating my kids, because they know what happened. And this is why they want the case to continue to stay in Shasta County, because the judges know what happened and are responsible for forging documents and signatures and control over this case. So it doesn't matter if I go to 100 court dates in Shasta County, it's always going to be the same. It doesn't matter how many police reports I file in Shasta County, it's always going to be the same, because they're aware of what is going on. They were recording all of this under investigation or whatever. I've been under investigation for 7 years.